Welcome to our channel. If you want to back up your WhatsApp messages to Google Drive, follow these step-by-step instructions to keep your chats safe. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Step 2. Go to Settings, then select Chats and tap on Chat Backup to access backup options. Step 3. Tap on Backup to Google Drive and choose your preferred backup frequency, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Step 4. Select the Google account you want to use for the backup or add a new account if needed. Step 5. Choose whether to include videos in your backup, keeping in mind that this will use more storage space. Step 6. Tap on Backup now to start an immediate backup of your WhatsApp data to Google Drive. Step 7. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take several minutes depending on the size of your chat history. Step 8. Verify the backup in your Google Drive under the WhatsApp folder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.